Hey there, I'm Charlotte, the Gulf Coast Granny, and this right here is Hazel, the Beit Alpha Cucumber that I planted for the Single Seed Challenge this year. The Single Seed Challenge was started by Scott Head over at Black Gumbo Southern Gardening, and the purpose of it is to track the growth and progress of a single seed from its infancy all the way to its demise. Now Hazel here was slow to take off, and I blame March. March was unseasonably cold. I planted her on March the 11th, and we didn't start getting nights into the 50s until about mid-April. Now here we are in mid-May, and she's finally starting to take off. I'm going to pull you in a little closer so that you can see that she is starting to have flowers. And there is a tiny little cucumber there. There's another tiny little cucumber here with the flower still attached. And right here at the bottom is a cucumber that looks like it might be big enough to eat soon. Now I put this tomato trellis in the pot with her. And what I'm doing is I'm tying her to the rung. So I'm just going to take this end and tie it to the rung and keep going around till she gets to the next level up here. If you want to see the video where I planted Hazel, I will put it in a box right over here, okay? Go ahead and click on it and see how far she's come. Y'all have a great day. Get out there and grow something, all right?